Stop buying pliers that add clutter without solving the job. Grip-On 111-10 is the easy release default. Channellock 102-10 saves money with similar capability. Choose by release effort, adjustment style, visibility, and cost. For most household jobs, I'd buy the Grip-On 111-10. It's strong, roughly 2 inch jaw opening handles substantial clamping, while the one-hand release makes repeated use less frustrating. The orange finish is also easier to spot in a busy tool drawer. You will pay more than for many basic options. The adjustment screw can initially feel rough and may need lubricant and break-in time. Skip it if lowest cost matters most, or you want the adjustment locked at one setting. For better value, choose the Channellock 102-10. It offers nearly the same clamping and release ability as the Grip-On, while usually saving a few dollars. Its long jaw design suits homeowners who want capable pliers without paying extra for the default. But the black coating can disappear visually inside a packed bag or drawer. Its adjustment lock is useful only if you need it. Skip this one if visibility and the simplest adjustment setup matter more than savings. Quick split. Grip-On 111-10 is the easier, everyday setup with better visibility. Channellock 102-10 is the value route when similar clamping matters more than simple adjustment. Before buying, check your required jaw opening, available storage space, finish visibility, and whether an adjustment lock would help or merely add fuss. Start with the Grip-On 111-10 if you want secure clamping and less release frustration. Switch to the Channellock 102-10 when saving money outweighs visibility and adjustment simplicity. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.